how to buy NEWT protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of NEWT. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or become expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. Now, this token is available on MEXC. Now, but before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, what you need to do is just open a new window and you can access to your MEXC account. Now, but if you don't have an account to MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account to MEXC to benefit from yours. Now, after that, what you need to do is just click here in the search bar and type like that NEWT. Now select the pair that have USDT like that. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, this is the page that you can buy this token on. Now here as you can see, now let's just click no more reminders and you click on I understand. Now just click on OK. Now after that, what you need to do, you can type here how much you want to buy of that and using USDT only account to be able to buy this token, and here you can see the quantity that you will receive of that token. So after that, click on open long, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes you will be able to buy this token and have this token on your account. So this is how to buy NEWT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.